Welcome back, friends. We are ready for worksheet 108, so make sure you have that ready. As always, we are starting with our spelling letter sounds, so make sure that you say the sound with me, and then we'll write the letters that make the sound. Number 1, shun. Shun. T-I-O-N, shun. Number 2, or. Combination O-R, or. Number 3, qu. Combination Q-U, qu. Number 4, I. I, consonant E, comma I, final vowel Y. I. I is spelled different ways depending on where it is in the word. Number 5, there are 2 spellings for this sound. Oi. Diphthong O-I, final diphthong O-Y. Oi. Number 6, there are several spellings for this sound also. Number 6 is k. K, comma C, final digraph CK, comma K, comma KE, comma C. K. Number 7, U, comma A. Number 8 has 2 spellings. Ow. Diphthong OU, final diphthong OW. Ow. Several spellings for number 9. The sound is S. S, comma C, final SS, comma SE, comma CE. S. And number 10, O. O, consonant E, comma O, final digraph OW. O. Let's practice spelling some words now. For number 11, the word is right. Like, this is my right hand. Right. R-I-G-H-T. Right. In number 12, sick. S-I-C-K. Sick. Today we talked about digraph PH. Digraph PH says we are going to spell words with that digraph now. Number 13, the word is phone. P-H-O-N-E. Phone. Number 14, we're going to spell the word graph. Graph. G-R-A-P-H. Graph. And number 15, spell the word phonics. Phonics. P-H-O-N-I-C-S. Phonics. All right, let's practice coding some words. First, we're going to code words with digraph PH. So for number 16, underline digraph PH. I see silent E at the end, which means the A will make its own sound, A. This S needs crossed out. It is going to be voiced because of its placement. So let's read this word together. Phase, phase, phase. Number 17, digraph PH needs to be underlined and an arc under combination ER. So we have a vowel O. PH, since it's underlined, is acting as one consonant, and ER is acting as the vowel. So if we split here after the first vowel, this would say O. So let's try to sound this out. G-O-F-er. Gopher. That is an animal. That's a real word. For number 18, combination OR needs an arc underneath and underline digraph PH. So OR is acting as the vowel. PH is acting as the consonant. Since this is already coded, we're going to go ahead and split after the digraph this time. The A is followed by an N, so it is going to make the schwa sound, which is that upside down E. So we have orphan, orphan. Number 19 has digraph PH to underline. We have silent E at the end, which means the A is long. And because of the placement, the S is getting a line through it. So let's sound out this word together. Phrase, phrase. Very good. And one more word with digraph PH. Underline digraph PH in number 20. This time we have vowel O and vowel I. We have consonant L, and then PH is acting as one consonant since it's underlined together. This is a VCCV pattern, so we'll divide between the C's. The O is closed in, it'll get a brevy. The I is followed by an N, so it's going to have that schwa sound. Put your upside down E. Let's try to sound this out. D-all in dolphin. That matches our picture. We are ready for the bottom of the page. Number 21 is a compound word, so let's split between the S and M. The C needs a K back, and the A is closed in. This word is class. Then we have final E, which makes the A say its name. Mate. Classmate. For number 22, we have digraph SH to underline. Then we have vowel I with one consonant. So if we try it here, it will be finish. We want it to say finish. We want closed off vowels like that. Fin-ish, finish. Number 23 has suffix ed. Put a box around that. And in the root word, we have digraph OO to underline. Bloom, bloom, bloomed. Number 24 has a digraph, a suffix es. And then the root word is a compound word, so we'll split between the R and B. So for the first word, we have digraph AI. The A is saying its name, the I is silent. In the second word, we have digraph SH, and the U is closed in with the brevy. So let's try to sound this out. Air, hair, brush, brush, hair brushes, hair brushes. And number 25, we have another compound word. So the first word has digraph EY. The E says its name, the Y is silent. And the second word has digraph OA. The O is making the sound, the A is silent. So we have key, board, keyboard. That matches the picture up here. Great job coding today. For your homework, you have some sentences to read, and then you have a few questions to answer. Notice on number 1 that they give you 2 lines to write on. See if you can write a whole sentence for that question, okay? Great job today.